To book a lesson, you can sort the lesson slots either by time or by tutor. Click on Sort by Time if you want to first sort by time slot and dates that suit you best, and then move on to choose the tutor you like. Ringle will match you with the right tutor. If you click Sort by Tutor, you can view more of our diverse tutor base. Let's see. Here's a tutor that stands out to me. We share the same major, which might give us a lot to talk about. Click on their profiles and watch the introduction videos to learn more about the tutor. Next, choose materials from the myriad of topics we provide, be it business, culture, sports, or science. Need help with your essays or interviews? We've got that covered too. Upload documents of your choice. Finally, click on Complete and you have successfully booked your lesson.